What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a controversial one because we're gonna be talking about how much I actually paid for my Toyota Tacoma SR5. Now you can't tell it's an SR5 because I took off the SR5 badge. I'm kidding, you probably can tell. But nonetheless, we're getting sidetracked. We're gonna talk about how much I paid for this truck. We're gonna go over the window sticker because a lot of people wanna know how much I paid, and I understand we're in a crazy time right now. So I'd be interested too because, well, when I was looking for it, I was interested and I was looking around and I wanted to see what people were paying for this truck just so that I didn't overpay, but I ended up overpaying. So I don't know about you, but I usually keep my information in the glove box as well as extra camera equipment. Oh no, oh no. Can you guys see it? Can you see it? It's starting to rain. I don't know why, I just had the thought to hide inside my bed, but if I get stuck, that would be a bad day. So let's just go inside the truck. Before we get into the video, I appreciate everyone who's liked, comment, and subscribed on all of my past videos. I really appreciate you guys. We're approaching 2.5 thousand subscribers, so I appreciate all of you guys. But with that being said, I won't hold you here any further. Let's see how much I actually paid for my Tacoma. We're gonna start off here. It's a Toyota Tacoma SR5 4x4 double cab. When I had a 4x2, I would always hope and pray that one day I would look at this and it said 4x4, and well, we got a 4x4 now. Over here, you got the color Voodoo Blue, Mexico. It was built in Mexico, or at least it was finally assembled in Mexico. You get what I'm saying. The overall rating, the frontal crash, driver, passenger, all this stuff, it's very important, don't get me wrong, but I've read it so many times. So down here, 20 mpg is your combined, city 18, highway 22. So this number's a lie and this number's a lie. You get like 16 here, and then you can get like 25, 26 here. Annual fuel cost is $2,000 if you drive it once every month, but you know, it varies. Over here is all your standard information, all your regular information that all Tacomas come with. Now over here is where it gets more and more interesting. This is what Toyota recommends selling your truck for, but of course the dealership loves to add stuff, and here we go adding stuff. You get the all-weather floor mats, and then you get those chrome side steps. Now, they're kind of getting in the way more than they do help. The door edge guard for $140, and then the bed light for $150. Now, all of these I'm not upset about. I do not regret any of these modifications or these changes. Boy, it is really coming down now. Then you come down here, you get the dealer processing fee. This one was the one I wasn't sure about, but it seems like everyone is paying this. It's just kind of one of those things. Then you get your final $37,802, your total price. That's what I was looking at, $37,802. This world isn't all sunshine and rainbows, boys. I was messaging a bunch of dealerships. I let them know where I was pricing wise, where I wanted to be, something where I could feel comfortable and pay off in a year, 2 years at most. And I said, okay, I'm interested in this truck. What can you guys do? They hit me with $47,850 before taxes, tags, and registration. So we're talking about a $50,000 SR5. That is absolutely absurd. So there was a market adjustment on this truck and they were not budging at all. So I gave up. I was like, okay, cool. I don't want it. Keep it. They kept it for one day, and then they messaged me like, they're like, okay, fine, we'll do $47,000 out the door. No, not gonna happen, buddy, not gonna happen, all right? And then they hit me with, all right, fine, we'll do 44 out the door. Yeah, still not gonna happen. So finally I told him, look, man, I'm trying to be at $40,000. That's where I feel comfortable with. That's what I'm willing to pay for this SR5. After hesitating a little bit, they ended up doing it, but I gave up. They finally hit me with 42,000 is the lowest we can do. And then Sandy messaged them and was like 40,000 and we'll go pick it up today. It ended up working out. It was MSRP plus taxes, tags, you know, just the regular registration stuff. So I'll go ahead and show you guys everything now. So just total purchase price. For me, I think this one's a load of BS. $40,500 for a Toyota Tacoma. So there's the breakdown. If you're interested, these are the fees that I'm paying. These are the fees that I paid, and that's everything. So I already know that there's gonna be people in the comment section telling me how they got their TRD Pro fully loaded for $30,000 out the door. And I just wanna tell you, brother, congratulations. I just wanted to show you guys what you guys can get right now. of course, it's not the best time to buy a truck. We're in the middle of a shortage, and we're in the middle of people believing in panic and hype and all this other stuff. Paying MSRP, I'm fine with. I have seen a bunch of people who unfortunately had to buy over MSRP. I really wanted to hold off making this video because I don't know what your situation is. Now, if your situation is better than mine, good for you. I'm happy. If you got a Tacoma at a better price, bro, all the power to you. I got my last truck at $36,000. It was a TRD Sport with, you know, quite a bit of options, right? Coming to this one, I understood that I'm paying $4,000 more, but I'm okay with paying $4,000 more, and that's what I wanted to make a point. I didn't want to make this video for someone, especially in this time, who's wondering if they overpaid, because there's a lot of people who have overpaid. As long as you're happy with what you're paying, as long as you're happy with the amount, and when you sign that dotted line, you don't feel regret, that's all that matters. As you can see, even with me, there's gonna be people in the comment section telling me how they got their SR5 fully loaded with technology packages and all this baloney for $30,000, for $14,000 out the door. That's cool, that's great, that's nice and dandy. But me personally, I wanted a Tacoma 4x4 Voodoo Blue that I could pay off in a year or two. And this fits all my criteria. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns. Did I overpay? Did I get ripped off? Some people say yes, some people say no. Hey man, I paid MSRP, of course, with all your regular tax, tags, and fees. So it's normal, and I feel comfortable. So with that being said, if you guys want to know my monthly payments on this truck, I'll go over all my monthly cost in another video, of course, so you guys can understand what that is. With that being said, it's been your boy, I'm Married Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. Also, can you comment the number 2 and be like, I saw this? We got 2 modifications coming in a video very, very soon, as long as the weather isn't absolutely garbage. 2 more modifications, and I'm very excited, and they're gonna make a very big difference.